In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert number into text in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a specific number into written text using a field code in Microsoft Word. For our example, we'll use the amount 1,250 and convert it into words. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open the document where you want to add the amount. Place your cursor where you want the converted text to appear. For this example, let's say the amount is 1,250. To create the field, press Ctrl and F9 on your keyboard at the same time. Word will insert a pair of special field braces. Make sure you use Ctrl and F9 because manually typing the braces will not create a working field. Now, click inside the field braces and type exactly equals 1250, followed by a backslash, an asterisk, and dollar text. The complete field code should be equals 1250. Dollar text. After entering the field code, select the field and press F9 on your keyboard. Microsoft Word will update the field and convert the number into text. Depending on your Microsoft Word version and the field formatting, the result can appear in a check-style format. For example, 1,250 can appear as 1,250 and 00/100. This means the whole number portion is written as 1,250, while 00/100 represents 0 cents. If you want to change the amount, you can edit the number in the field code. For example, you can replace 1250 with 2500. After changing the number, select the field and press F9 again to update the result. It's important to remember that the field code should contain the number without the $sign or comma. So instead of entering $1,250 inside the braces, use 1250 in the field code. If the result does not update, make sure the field is selected before pressing F9. You can also right-click the field and choose Update Field to refresh the result. Once the conversion is complete, check the written amount carefully to make sure it matches the original number. This is especially important when you're using the result for financial documents. And that's how you can convert a number into text in Microsoft Word using the field code equals 1250. Dollar text. With this simple method, you can quickly turn a numerical amount into written text without typing it manually. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,